Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to change your car's oil and oil filter and properly dispose of the old oil. First, ensure your car is parked on a level surface and the engine is cool. Gather the necessary supplies, the correct type and amount of oil, a new oil filter, a wrench, an oil catch pan, a funnel, and some rags for cleanup. Begin by safely jacking up your car and securing it with jack stands. Slide underneath and locate the oil drain plug under the engine. Place the oil catch pan beneath it to capture the old oil. Using the wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Allow the oil to completely drain into the pan. This may take a few minutes. Once drained, wipe the drain plug with a rag and replace it securely. Now move to the oil filter, which is typically positioned near the engine block. Use an oil filter wrench if needed to unscrew the old filter. Expect some oil to escape as you remove it, so keep your catch pan nearby. With the filter in place, move back to the top of the engine and remove the oil cap. Insert the funnel and pour in the new oil based on your car's requirements. After adding the oil, replace the oil cap securely. Before installing the new filter, apply a small amount of new oil to the rubber gasket of the filter, ensuring a tight seal. Screw the new filter in place by hand until it's snug, then give it a final quarter turn with the wrench if needed. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes. Check for any leaks beneath the car. Shut off the engine, wait a few minutes, then use the dipstick to ensure the oil is at the correct level. Finally, it's crucial to responsibly dispose of the old oil. Transfer it into a sealable container and drop it off at a local recycling center or auto shop that accepts used oil. Never pour it down the drain or onto the ground. And there you have it, a complete DIY guide to changing your car's oil and filter, keeping your vehicle running smoothly. Don't forget to dispose of that oil responsibly to help protect our environment. Thanks for watching, and happy motoring.